Hey guys, this is Xavier with Gotta Be Mobile, and this is the new iPhone 5S. I was lucky enough to get one in gold, which is the most difficult version to get. I'm just going to go ahead and open it up and take a look at the finish and show you how it compares to the white iPhone 5S. As you can see, it's brand new in the package. This one is activated on AT&T's network. AT&T is my favorite network in San Francisco. I use all the networks. And here we go, out of the box. As you can see, it's pretty plain looking at front, and when you turn it sideways, you can start to see the gold edges. The top edge here, this corners are aluminum silver, so those you don't have to worry about this getting scuffed or scratched. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box, and you can see that you have this little ring around the home button. That's a part of the Touch ID sensor system, so you can unlock it with your finger. Go ahead and take this out, and there you go. That's the gold finish. It's not a super bold, bright gold. It's really subtle. It's not as gold as I thought it would be, not as yellow as I thought it would be. It's definitely different looking than the white version, white and silver version, but you can see it's got the same general tone. It's not super bright, like a brassy gold. You can see here in this knife that I used to open the box, this is a brass part of the knife, and you can see the difference in color. So it's definitely a nice looking phone. It does not look as gold as it does on Apple's website, which I think is probably oversaturated a bit. And the iPhone 5S comes with the standard Apple accessories like you would expect. You've got the AC adapter, you have the lightning cable, and the pair of headphones. And these headphones are pretty decent these days. They're not like the earbuds that used to come with the iPods. They're directional, they're pretty decent. It's still well worth upgrading to an $80 or $90 pair of headphones at the Apple Store, or buying some online. But this is it. This is a pretty simple unboxing. You can go ahead and power this on, get a SIM card in it, and start reviewing this. This is Xavier from Gotta Be Mobile with the iPhone 5S in gold.